anyways, let's get this party started. So, in this box is one Pop Funko. I have 2 and 3. Can't wait. So one of these was actually on order for almost a month. So, I'm going to pick eeny, meeny, miny, mo first. So, as I said before, Pop Funkos, they've been on order quite a while. I hope everybody likes it. And I also like how the Pop Funkos are sitting there like, hey, okay. So, alrighty. Are you guys ready? Ladies and gentlemen, give a drum roll, please, for Charlene Sinclair of the original Dinosaurs TV show. Many of you have never heard of it. Many of you have. If you know of a pink baby dinosaur that goes, I'm the baby, gotta love me, came from the show. If you don't, well, Robbie Sinclair was the original bad boy. He was the T-Rex that rode motorcycles and dressed in leather. Every girl's teenage dream. So there's Charlene. Alright, next one is... Give it up for Vampire Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. He is in a Hot Topic exclusive. I was eyeing this up for a while, and I really thought the pre-orders were going to sell out. Apparently, he didn't sell all that well. Because he's Jack, the Pumpkin King. Look how shiny he is. He's all metallic-y and cool. Isn't that awesome looking? I totally shouldn't have opened this. My collector friends will probably yell at me and scream and say, you're just facing him. Ah! But that's Jack, the Pumpkin King, in his Halloween best. So here's the last one. Here he is, the OG bad boy himself, Robbie Sinclair. Yeah. Isn't he so cool looking? And I actually am going to take him out of the box. Isn't he so cool looking? He's definitely wearing his varsity Letterman jacket. If I remember correctly from what the original actor said, size, or, what was it? Size 26, high top. Yes. In all his amazing 90s glory. Oh, by the way, Hot Topic, the only thing I'm going to rant about here is the fact that, what the hell are you doing to the boxes, man? Come on, how's that acceptable? What if I was a hardcore collector? Come on, yo. Bye!